Most people go their whole lives working for money, but never actually understand how it works. And that's exactly why they stay broke, no matter how hard they hustle. In this video, I'm breaking down the 4 rules of financial literacy that the wealthy live by, and schools never teach. If you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap and finally build real wealth, you're in the right place. Financial literacy isn't about being rich. It's about understanding money well enough to stop being controlled by it. Most people learn how to earn a paycheck, but they never learn how to manage it, grow it, or make it work for them. That's the real reason so many stay broke, even when they're earning more than ever. Let's break down the 4 fundamental rules of financial literacy, the core principles that separate those who build wealth from those who stay stuck in the cycle. Rule number 1. Know where your money goes. This might sound obvious, but ask most people how much they spent last month, and they can't tell you. Financial literacy begins with awareness. You must know exactly where your money is going. Every subscription, every bill, every impulse buy. The truth is, most people are bleeding money in places they're not even aware of. Use a budget, not to restrict you, but to reveal you. A budget isn't about saying no to everything. It's about making sure you're saying yes to the things that actually matter. Track your expenses weekly. Use apps. Write it down. Just don't let your money leave without telling you where it went. Because what you don't track, you can't control. Rule number 2. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. This rule alone can change your financial life forever. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out of it. It's not about how expensive something is, it's about whether it's making you money or costing you money over time. Your car? Usually a liability. That daily $7 coffee? It adds up. A rental property, dividend stocks, or a side hustle. Assets, if managed right. The financially illiterate confuse looking rich with being rich. They buy shiny things that lose value instead of building things that grow value. If you want financial freedom, make this your focus. Accumulate assets. Minimize liabilities. Period. Rule number 3. Pay yourself first. Most people earn money, spend it all, and then try to save what's left. That's backwards. The rich do the opposite. They pay themselves first, which means they treat saving and investing like a non-negotiable bill. It's the first thing that comes out of their paycheck, not the last. Start with 10%. If you earn $1,000, put $100 into a savings or investment account before you spend a dime. Can't afford 10%? Start with 5%. Start with 1%. The point isn't the amount, it's the habit. Over time, this rule builds wealth automatically. You stop relying on willpower, and you start building systems. And systems beat motivation every single time. Rule number 4. Learn how money works continuously. School teaches algebra, history, and Shakespeare, but almost nothing about taxes, investing, or how interest really works. So most people leave school financially illiterate and stay that way for life. But here's the truth. The financially literate don't just earn money, they understand it. They know how compound interest builds wealth, or destroys it through debt. How credit works, how to legally reduce taxes, how inflation impacts their savings, how to invest, and what to avoid. You don't need to become a stock market genius or real estate mogul. But you do need to understand enough to protect and grow your money. Read books. Watch videos. Take courses. Even 10 minutes a day will compound over time. Financial literacy isn't a one-time lesson, it's a lifelong mindset. The more you know, the more money flows. Being financially literate doesn't mean being perfect with money. It means being intentional with it. It means spending with purpose, saving consistently, investing wisely, and always learning more. These 4 rules are simple, but they're not always easy. That's why most people never follow them. But the few who do, they change their entire financial future, without needing $1 million income to do it. Remember, it's not how much you make. It's how much you keep, grow, and understand. Money doesn't have to be confusing, and you don't need to be rich to become financially free. Start applying these 4 rules now, and your future self will thank you. Speech balloon, drop a comment if one of these rules hit home for you. Thumbs up like this video if you learned something new, bell, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly content on wealth, mindset, and freedom.